Hi everyone, it's Daisy here with another video for you. So I just received a package in the mail and we are going to open together. This is my new e-reader and I am going to unbox it with you. I'm very excited. So I have here two boxes. One, first of all, is the cover, but the second one is look at that. I just got myself a Boox e-reader. Actually, it's a reader slash a tablet. It's a note-taking tablet. This is the version Note Air4. And I am very excited about this. I think a week ago, I actually made a video of an unboxing of a Boox Go 7 black and white, but I deleted that video because after playing with the e-reader, I was a little disappointed because of the size of the screen. So I decided to send it back and I ordered the big one. I know, I'm crazy, but anyway, this is basically my very first Android e-reader. I mean, I keep saying e-reader because this is what I have. I have other e-readers. I have a Kobo and I have a Kindle. And this is the first one that I have that is actually a note-taking device. Even though my Kobo color, I can also take notes with it, even though I didn't buy the pen. I just use it for reading. But this one here, it comes with a pencil. So this one, I don't have to purchase the pen and it's already there. So here it goes. I am very excited. This is actually my very first big e-reader. This is 10.3 inches, which I'm very excited about because, for instance, not only for note-taking, but if you want to read, you have like a huge book page in front of you with a lot of text. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm very excited. Let's put it aside. My God, this is so thin. Look at this. How thin this is. And so nice and, my God, light. And it's metal. It's metal on the other side because I'm so used to the plastic e-readers, and this one is, I think it's metal, and it's so nice and I love it. It feels great. So in the box we have this one first. We're gonna open it later, and then you have here two little envelopes. The first one is, what is this? The first one, okay, is just the documentation. The second envelope, the second box is this one, which I'm guessing will be the pen. Let's open it. Oh, yes. Okay, here is the pen. So this is the pen that comes with it. We're going to test it later. And we have, okay, a SIM card, you know, that little thing to push the SIM out. And you have, okay, this is a USB-C A to USB-C, okay, USB-C, no, USB-C A to, no, USB, oh my God, I don't know. This is the card, okay? This is the USB-C charger, and this is the USB-C A, something like that. Anyway, so we are going just to open it, and this is just an unboxing. And I am going to test it a little bit. Good thing that with the other one that I had last week, I learned a little bit how to play with an Android system, because for me, I was completely new to it. So I'm going to keep this here. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh my. It has a speaker grill here. Not sure if you can see it. Speaker grill. You have the USB-C here. Another speaker grill. And here we have the, I think it's the power button. Let's see. Yeah, you have the power button here. And apparently this is also a fingerprint reader. And at the bottom, Yeah, at the bottom we don't have anything else. Wait a minute, where is the SIM? Oh yes, here next to the USB-C you have a SIM card slot. SIM card? It's not a SIM card, it's a SD card slot. Yes. My God, it feels so good in the hand and so light. And let's open the, let's see. I actually bought this one. This is not the Boox cover because I thought the Boox cover was a bit too expensive. So I decided to go for this one. Besides, the Boox cover is magnetic. But I saw this one on Amazon and I thought it was so cute. I decided to actually purchase this one. Let's see. Oh, okay. See here? This is not magnetic. So this is the cover that I purchased. It's not magnetic. So you just have to, it has a little tray here that you have to put the e-reader. And you have a space for the pen, which is super cool. And of course you have this part here that you can actually hold it like this. You know what? Because this, you can actually attach the keyboard to it as well. So let's try to put it on and see if it works. Oh my gosh, it works. Look at that. This is fantastic. And then you can put the pen here. Yes, I love it. Let's open the pen. And of course, I'm going to play with it later. So the pen comes here. Let's see. There. Okay, so you have the pen there. Look, this is amazing. And this was actually, I think this was 28 bucks. And the original one from Boox cost like 49 bucks. So it's a little bit more expensive. But I thought this one was also a little cuter. And then of course you have this elastic band here that when you do like this, it's much more protected and for you to throw it in your bag and travel. So this was the unboxing. So that's it. This was the unboxing of my Boox Note. What is it called again? Oh my gosh, here it is. So this was the unboxing of the Boox Note Air4 C 10.3 inches e-ink tablet. I am going to play with it, learn. I have to, of course, to work with the settings because from my previous experience with the Boox Go 7 black and white, the moment this comes out of the box, it has like the standard settings and it's a lot of very annoying things. So you really have to fumble a little bit with the settings in order to, you know, set it up the way you want to make it more comfortable for you to use. And there are so many things for me to learn about this. I've been watching a lot of very good e-reader channels from YouTubers who are very savvy when it comes to e-ink tablets. So I am learning a lot of things in order to make my use of this much easier. So that was a very quick look at the unboxing of my new Boox tablet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will try to make another video showing how I am using this tablet. But for now, this was the video. Thank you so much. Bye.